Okay, good afternoon, students. In the last class for the gastrointestinal tract, which is GIT tract, I have discussed from mouth till the esophagus. Okay, so from today, now we will discuss. I'll just show you again. We have discussed from here, from mouth, this part. Okay. Mouth till the esophagus. We have discussed. Esophagus was what? Esophagus is the connection in between the mouth to the stomach. Okay, so now we will discuss on the stomach part. Okay, so from the stomach part we will discuss. So as the food will come, okay, you remember, no, the food will come towards this side, this to the esophagus. In the esophagus there is sphincter. You remember that, no? Sphincter, lower esophagus sphincter and cardiac sphincter. So now it will enter towards this, that is the stomach. So now we will see. Okay. Okay, so in the stomach, we will get what? First, you will get the cardiac sphincter, this one, or else you can say the lower esophageal sphincter also. Okay, you will get here in the stomach, and uh, as you move, okay, as you move towards the end side, it is known as the pyloric sphincter. Okay, this pyloric sphincter, what will they do? They will close. Okay, they will close. I mean, when the food will pass towards, means as the food is coming towards downside, that is, it will go to um, this stomach lining. Then afterwards, it will go to this pyloric sphincter, and this pyloric sphincter, it will automatically just close it off. Okay, so these are the two parts of the stomach. It is the lower esophageal sphincter from the the food is coming in this part. It is the lower esophageal sphincter, and as it comes uh, down, it is coming towards the stomach lining, and it goes to this pyloric sphincter, which automatically like closes off as soon as it will go. So, are you clear about this? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So the stomach, this is the stomach. Okay, so this is the stomach. The stomach is J shape. Okay, it is just like J, the letter J, alphabetical letter J. Okay, so the stomach is J shape, and it is a muscular sac. It is made up of muscle. Okay, muscle tissue we can say. Okay, so it is made up of muscle tissue. Then this stomach, it has inner folds. Inner folds means what? Inner folds, you can also say inner folds as inner lining, or else the layers, you can say. The inner folds or the inner linings is known as rugae. R-U-G-A-E, rugae. Okay, so this stomach has got linings. So the name of this lining for the inner folds is known as rugae. And as you have food, okay, as you have food, what will happen? The stomach, the surface area of the stomach, it will automatically just increase in size. As you have food, what will happen? Obviously, the size of your stomach will increase or not, because you are having something. Okay, so because of that, the size of your stomach will increase. Understand? And what is the function of the stomach? The function of the stomach is that inside your stomach there is gastric juice. Okay, so this gastric juice, for example, with the HCl, that is the hydrochloric acid. Some you'll find some salt, you'll find some enzymes, you'll find water, mucus. So all this, what will they do? This HCl, they will help, okay, the food to break down into smaller particles. Okay, and whatever like bacteria is there, okay, means it is harmful for your body. This HCl, that is the hydrochloric acid, they kill it. I mean, they kill them. Okay, whatever is harmful for your body, they kill them. Okay, and now the food bolus. Okay, which was from the esophagus, you remember. So the food bolus now they will turn into time, say one time. Okay, this one. Now they will turn as time. Okay, did you understand? The shape of the stomach is J shape, and the stomach it has got inner folders or inner linings, which is known as raphe. And as you have food, means as you consume food or as you have something, okay, vegetables or whatever, means it will the size will increase. The size of the stomach will increase. Then inside the stomach you have what? Gastric juice, such as HCl, that is a hydrochloric acid, some salts, some enzymes, some water, and mucus. And this HCl, what will they do? They will help in breakdown of the food. Okay, they will help in the breakdown of the food, and they will also kill some bacteria which is coming along with the food. Okay, and now this was the food bolus. Remember, no, in the esophagus, it was called as a food bolus. But as it comes downside, it is towards the stomach. Now they will turn into chyme, stage 1 chyme. Okay, did you understand? Means in the esophagus, see, it was food bolus, isn't it? See, it was food bolus. Okay, and esophagus, it was known as the food bolus. But now, as it is coming towards the stomach, means in the stomach, it will now be called as chyme. See, showing the chyme. Okay, ये स्टमक जे शेप का है, ठीक है, लेटर जे शेप का है और ये मस्कुलर सैक है, मतलब मसल से बनाया हुआ है। तो ये स्टमक कैसा है, मतलब स्टमक का इनर लाइनिंग है, ये इनर लाइनिंग है। और क्या होता है यहाँ पे स्टमक पे जो इनर लाइनिंग या इनर फोर्स, इसको क्या बोलते हैं, राफे, इसको राफे बोलते हैं। ठीक है, और जब तुम खाना खाओगे या जो भी खाने का चीज खाओगे, तब ये स्टमक मतलब साइज अपने आप इंक्रीज हो जाएगा, क्योंकि तुम कुछ खा रहे हो, ठीक है। और ये स्टमक का फंक्शन क्या है, स्टमक का फंक्शन ये है कि स्टमक के अंदर तुम देखो HCl मिलेगा, हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड, ओके, सॉल्ट्स मिलेगा, एंजाइम्स मिलेगा, वाटर मिलेगा, म्यूकस मिलेगा। तो ये HCl क्या करेगा, HCl ब्रेक डाउन करेगा जो खाने ऊपर से आ रहा है, मतलब इसोफेगस से आ रहा है, क्या करेगा ये सब, मतलब इकट्ठा करके, इकट्ठा होने के बाद क्या करेगा, जो जो बैक्टीरिया है जो हमारे सेहत के लिए हानिकारक है, वो मार देगा। ठीक है, जो मार देगा। उसके बाद ये जो फूड बोलस है, इसोफेगस से जो खाना आ रहा था उसको फूड बोलस बोलते हैं। ठीक है, मैंने पहले स्लाइड में भी दिखाया था। तो ये फूड बोलस अभी क्या बन जाएगा, टाइम बन जाएगा, सीच वाइन टाइम। ठीक है, समझ में आया? Did you understand everyone? Yes, did you understand? Do you understand, students?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now the food bolus. Okay, means as it comes over the stomach, it will come into time. Okay, so now from the stomach, it will open, means it will open in the pyloric sphincter. Now from the stomach, the food will come to the small intestine. Okay, now the food will come towards the small intestine. This is the small intestine. In this small intestine, you can see that they are convoluted. Convoluted means what, they are twisted. They are not straight. From the picture itself, from this diagram itself, you can just know, means they are convoluted, means they are coiled. They are twisted in the picture itself. So they are coiled. Okay, and the small intestine, you will see that the length of the small intestine is how much? 22 feet long. Okay, the length of the small intestine is 22 feet long. And you will see that this small intestine has got three parts. The first part is the duodenum, the second part is the jejunum, and the third is the ileum. Okay, so these are the three parts of the small intestine. Okay, did you get it? The small intestine has got three parts. The first one is the duodenum, the second part is the jejunum, and the third part is the ileum. Okay, ओके जब ये जो खाना टाइम था ना ये जब पेट से मतलब स्टमक से बाहर आएगा कहाँ पे पहुंचेगा स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन पे पहुंच पहुंच जाएगा ठीक है स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन कन्व्यूलेटेड है कन्व्यूलेटेड मतलब प्रतिष्ठित है सीधा नहीं है थोड़ा मतलब ऐसा है टेढ़ा बेका है ठीक है तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा यहाँ पे स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन का कितना लेंथ है इसका मेजरमेंट कितना है 22 feet या 22 फुट लॉन्ग ठीक है और ये स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन 22 फुट लॉन्ग है और ये स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन तीन पार्ट्स में मिलेगा ठीक है पहला क्या है जेजुनम दूसरा है जेजुनम और तीसरा है इलियम ये तीन पार्ट्स है स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन ठीक है और ये स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन क्या करेगा मतलब ये मतलब एंजाइम्स ठीक है मीन्स with the help of enzymes okay they will release fat bile which is in the fat liver and this I will explain to you in the next slide after this but for now you just know that it has got three parts that is the jejunum and the ileum okay and in the duodenum what will happen you will find that the duodenum is the first part of the small intestine and what will happen here they will absorb all the nutrients okay they will absorb it sorry yes in this duodenum what you will get the first part of the small intestine and what will they do they will help in continuous breakdown process okay they will help in continuous breakdown process means they will continuously break down the food particles to get into smaller particles okay smaller pieces you can say they will continuously do that okay and the second is what the jejunum and the ileum what will they do they will absorb okay whatever food is coming from the jejunum they will absorb all the food particles okay they will absorb all the food with jejunum and ileum they will absorb and after absorbing all those nutrients okay where will they go they will go into the bloodstream okay this one the duodenum is the first part of the small intestine, which helps in what? Continuous breaking down process, and the jejunum and ileum, what will they do? They will help in absorption of nutrients and will go into your bloodstream. Okay, did you get the duodenum, which helps in continuous breakdown process? Okay, and the jejunum and the ileum, they helps in what? They helps in absorbing all the nutrients. Okay, they helps in absorbing all the nutrients and it will go where it will go into your bloodstream. Okay, did you understand in this part? Everyone, did you understand about small intestine? Yes. Did you understand about small intestine? Okay. Next is your pancreas. Okay, this is your pancreas. Pancreas, they are just like leaf. Okay, पत्ता का जैसा है ये pancreas. Okay, what will this pancreas do? they will produce or they will make, or else you can say they will secrete enzyme. Okay, they will secrete some digestive enzyme and into the duodenum. You remember now duodenum, which was in the small intestine. Okay, they will go to the duodenum, and after going to the duodenum, what will they do? They will break down. Okay, they will break down what? They will break down such as proteins, fats, carbohydrates. They will do that. This pancreas. Okay, you remember that the pancreas they will secrete enzyme. Okay, and this enzyme where will it go? They will go to the duodenum. You remember not duodenum, small intestine. They will go to the duodenum, and after going there, what will they do? They will break down some proteins. Okay, proteins which we get in the fish and all this. Okay, and what chickpeas and all this we get proteins, and soya bean also we get proteins, and fats, okay, such as animal fats and pork and also we can get, okay, then carbohydrates where do you get mostly in bread, rice, all this you get. Okay, so in this pancreas helps you in that breaking down. And the second point is what? The second point is the pancreas. They also This pancreas, they also secrete insulin. Okay, they will produce insulin, and what will they do? This insulin, um, they are mostly responsible for metabolism or metabolizing sugar. Okay, sugar level. They helps in maintaining the sugar level. This pancreas. Okay, okay. Did you understand? The pancreas they secrete some digestive enzyme. Okay, and they go into the duodenum, which we find in the small intestine, the first part of the small intestine. And what will they do there? They will break down. Okay, you remember the continuous breakdown process function. So in the pancreas, what you will find, you will find that there will be continuous breakdown of the food, such as proteins, fats, carbohydrates. Okay, and this pancreas they will release, okay, or else they will make some insulin, and afterwards they will go into your bloodstream. And after that, what you will find that the insulin is responsible for what? Insulin is responsible for metabolism or making the insulin level in balance form. Okay, not too much, not too less, in balance form. Okay, did you understand about pancreas, everyone? Did you understand? ये पेनक्रियास क्या करता है? ये पेनक्रियास मतलब डाइजेस्टिव एंजाइम बनाता है, और ये डाइजेस्टिव एंजाइम कहाँ पे फिर से चला जाता है? वो ज्योतिनम पे चला जाता है। ज्योतिनम क्या था? स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन का पहला था। ठीक है, वहां पे जाके क्या करेगा? ब्रेक डाउन करेगा। ठीक है, ज्योतिनम का क्या फंक्शन था? कंटिन्यूअस ब्रेकडाउन प्रोसेस है कि नहीं? तो यहाँ पे ब्रेक डाउन करेगा, जैसे कि प्रोटीन, फैट्स, कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स ब्रेक डाउन करेगा। और ये पेनक्रियास क्या करेगा? पेनक्रियास इंसुलिन बनाएगा। ठीक है, और तो ये इंसुलिन के बाद ब्लड स्ट्रीम की तरफ चला जाएगा। और ये इंसुलिन क्या है? इंसुलिन मतलब हम लोग का बॉडी लेवल का जो शुगर है, मतलब शुगर लेवल मेंटेन करता है। ठीक है, मतलब बैलेंस करेगा, ज्यादा भी नहीं कम भी नहीं, मतलब बैलेंस कर। क्या समझ में आया? डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड एवरीवन
Yes, ma'am.
अबाउट पेनक्रियास? Okay, next is liver. I think liver I have already discussed it in practical class also. Okay, liver you will find that it is the second largest, okay, second largest organ. First is your skin. Skin is your largest organ in the human body, and after that the liver. But if you see gland, among all the glands, you will find that liver is the largest gland. Okay, and the weight of the liver is how much? 1,500 gram. Okay, And the liver is divided into how many lobes? If you remember,
4 parts.
4 lobes. Okay, can you name them?
Lobes, left lobes, crowded lobes, and guarded lobes.
Right lobe, left lobe, then
Crowded lobes,
okay, then
guarded lobes.
quadrant lobe. Okay, good. Mandika Datta. Okay, good. Okay, so these are the 4 lobes of the liver. Okay, and the function of the liver is what? The function of the liver is that what will they do? They will absorb all the nutrients which is coming from the small intestine. You remember the small intestine? Okay, so this liver, what will they do? They will absorb all the nutrients, whatever is good, whatever will be good for the body, whatever will be beneficial for the body, the liver, they will absorb it, which is coming from where? From the small intestine. You remember, no? The small intestine. Okay, and the second function is what? The second function is that the liver, they secrete bile. Okay, the liver, they will secrete bile, and this bile is helpful in what? This bile is helpful in digesting the fats as well as some vitamins. Okay, the liver, they will secrete bile. This called bile. Can you see this bile? Bile juice also you can say. This liver, they secrete bile, or else you can say bile juice also. And this bile, what will they do? They will help in digesting the fats. Okay, they will help in digesting the fats and some vitamins. Okay, and the third function of the liver is what? The third function of the liver is what? Helping detoxification, or else you can say detoxify. Detoxify or detoxification means what? Cleaning all the unwanted particles, okay, which is harmful for your body. Toxic means toxic for your body. Toxic means what? Which is poisonous for your body. Okay, so it helps you in that. So these are the three functions of the liver. Okay, to understand, पहला फंक्शन ऑफ लिवर का काम क्या है? लिवर मतलब जो स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन से जो खाना आ रहा था, ठीक है, स्टमक, उसके बाद स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन है कि नहीं, तो क्या करेगा ये लीवर? ये लीवर मतलब जो स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन से मतलब जो खाना आ रहा है वो मतलब सब एब्जॉर्ब करेगा, मतलब सब लेके जाएगा ये लीवर, जो अच्छे अच्छे न्यूट्रिएंट्स है उसको खींचेगा, मतलब उसको ले जाएगा। ठीक है, और सेकेंड फंक्शन क्या है? ये लीवर बाइल प्रोड्यूस करता है, मतलब बाइल बनाता है, या फिर बाइल जूस भी बोल सकते हो। ये बाइल बनाता है और ये क्या करता है? ये बाइल मतलब डाइजेस्ट करता है, फैट्स डाइजेस्ट करता है और विटामिन भी डाइजेस्ट करता है। ठीक है, और इसका थर्ड फंक्शन क्या है? ये लीवर का थर्ड फंक्शन ये है कि डिटॉक्सिफाई करता है। ठीक है, डिटॉक्सिफाई मतलब क्या? मतलब उसको साफ कर देता है, जो हमारे शरीर के लिए मतलब हानिकारक है, अच्छे नहीं है, वो साफ कर देता है। जो टॉक्सिक है, मतलब टॉक्सिक मतलब हार्मफुल या पॉइजनस, ठीक है, जहरीला है या फिर अच्छे नहीं है, वो लोग मार देता है और साफ कर देता है। ठीक है, समझ में आया? Did you understand everyone about the function of liver? Yes? Did you understand everyone?
Ma'am, second option, please repeat.
Second function?
Second, yes, second paragraph, yes.
Okay. So the bile, this bile, no, they will secrete, this liver, they will secrete bile. Okay. From the picture itself, you can just see this bile, they will secrete. This liver, they will secrete bile juice. Okay.
Yes.
मतलब ये liver मतलब bile juice बनाता है.
Yes.
बाइल जूस बनाता है। और बाइल जूस का काम क्या है? बाइल बाइल का काम ये है कि ये जो सारे फैट्स तुम खाते हो और जो सारे विटामिन तुम खाते हो उसको डाइजेस्ट करता है। ठीक है, डाइजेस्ट करने में इसका मदद करता है। समझ में आया? ये लीवर, ठीक है, ये लीवर मतलब बाइल जूस बनाता है। ठीक है, और ये
Yes.
बाइल
Yes.
जूस का काम क्या है? बाइल जूस का काम ये है कि जो सारे फैट्स, ठीक है, और जो सारे विटामिन तुम खाते हो उसको
हाँ
डाइजेस्ट करता है। डाइजेस्ट करने
हाँ,
में इसको मदद करता है।
मदद करता है। ठीक है मैम। थैंक यू
अभी
मैम।
समझ में आया? Okay. Did you understand everyone the function of the liver?
Ma'am, third point to আকৌ এবাৰ কৈ দিয়ক।
Third point, okay. ये लीवर मतलब डिटॉक्सिफाई करता है हमारे मतलब डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम पार्ट को। डिटॉक्सिफाई मतलब क्या है? मतलब उसको पूरा साफ कर देता है। ठीक है, जो जो सारे मतलब खराब चीज है और जो सारे अ, हमारे शरीर के लिए हानिकारक है, अच्छे नहीं है, उसको मार देता है। ठीक है, जो हमारे शरीर के लिए टॉक्सिक है। टॉक्सिक मतलब क्या? जो जहरीला है, जो अच्छे नहीं है हमारे सेहत के लिए, उसको मार देता है ये लीवर। ठीक है, अभी समझ में आ?
यस मैम।
Yes,
एवरीवन
ma'am.
एवरीवन डू यू अंडरस्टैंड? ओके, नेक्स्ट इज गोल ब्लडर। दिस इज द गोल ब्लडर, दिस ग्रीन कलर। ओके, so this okay, let's see now what is the gallbladder. The gallbladder, in this gallbladder you can see that they will they will keep the bile. Okay, they will store the bile and they will make the bile more concentrated. Okay, they will store the bile and they will make it concentrated. Means what? They will save it. Okay, they will save this bile, the bile juice which is coming from the liver. Okay, they will keep it nicely and they will make it means concentrated. Concentrated means they will make it uh, pure. They will make it natural. They will make it organic. In that way, you just understand. Okay, so this gallbladder will find that they will make the bile more concentrated and they will store it. Okay, and afterwards, what will they do? They will go into the duodenum. You remember not duodenum, small intestine, the first part of the small intestine. They will go to the duodenum, okay, and they will help in what? Digesting. Okay, they will help and they will help in absorption as well as digesting the fats. Okay, they help in absorption as well as digesting the fats. Understand? I'll repeat again. This gallbladder, okay, what will they do? They store bile. Okay, they store the bile juice, okay, which is coming from the liver. Okay, so they store the bile and they make it concentrated. They make it more pure, you can say. And afterwards, where they will go, this thing, they will go to the small intestine. Okay, this is in the duodenum, the first part of the small intestine. They will go to the duodenum, and what will they do there? They will absorb. They help in what? They help in absorbing and digesting the fats. ओके, समझ में आया? ये गोल ब्लडर क्या है? मतलब जो लीवर लीवर बाइल जो सिक्रेट करता है ना, प्रोड्यूस करता है, बनाता है, तो ये जो बाइल है, तो ये जो बाइल है गोल ब्लडर में मतलब सेफ होता है। ठीक है, स्टोर होता है, इकट्ठा होता है। ठीक है, ये बाइल जूस गोल ब्लडर में इकट्ठा होकर मतलब स्टोर होता है। और इसके बाद क्या होता है? इसके बाद ये जो बाइल है, ठीक है, ये स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन मतलब डिओडेनम पे चला जाएगा और वहाँ पे क्या होगा? मतलब फैट्स डाइजेस्ट और एब्जॉर्ब करने में मदद करेगा। ठीक है, समझ में आया? Did you understand everyone about gallbladder? Yes. Did you understand? Did you understand about gallbladder?
Ladder? Hmm.
Understand, no? Okay. Okay. Now the last part you can say the last part of the digestive system, which is the large intestine. Okay, or else you can say colon also. Okay. So in the large intestine, what will you get here? The large intestine, also known as the ending part, you can say, means where what happens here? It is responsible for what? Processing waste so that emptying the bowels is easy and convenient. Means they are mostly responsible for what? They are mostly used for cleaning all the waste materials. Whatever is not digested properly. Okay, whatever is not digested properly or which is harmful for your body, okay, it comes out. Yeah, means it passes through this large intestine. Okay, it comes towards this, means cleaning off all the things which you had. This large intestine helps in that. Okay, cleaning all the unwanted particles, you can say. Then what you will find in the large intestine? In the large intestine, you will find that the length, okay, how much long it is. The large intestine, it is 6 foot long. Okay, the length of the large intestine is how much? 6 foot long. Okay, and they are just like a tube, just like a muscular tube. Okay, tube, you know the tube, it's just like a tube, and it connects where the small, it connects the small intestine to the rectum. ओके, तो ये लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन क्या है? लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन सबसे लास्ट पार्ट है डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम का, माउथ से लेके वो तक, एनस तक, ठीक है। तो लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन में ज्यादातर क्या होता है? लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन में मतलब जो सारे डाइजेस्ट, मतलब वो डाइजेस्ट नहीं हो पाया अच्छे से, या फिर जो अच्छे नहीं है तुम्हारे बॉडी के लिए, ठीक है, वो सब लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन के द्वारा मतलब निकलता है, ठीक है। समझ में आया? और लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन कितना लंबा है? लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन 6 फुट,
6 6 foot.
6 फुट, समझ में आया? और ये मस्कुलर ट्यूब है, मतलब मसल से बनाया हुआ है, समझ में आया? और ये मसल का क्लास में this muscle, about this muscle I explained to you in the next chapter, means but it is there in your topic. Okay, okay, did you understand till here, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so the large intestine, also known as colon, it has how many parts? 4 parts. Okay, this colon has 4 parts, but this large intestine, it has got how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 parts. Okay, but this colon you'll find 4. Okay, don't get confused with that. Okay, the first one is the cecum. Okay, cecum. This is the cecum, and this cecum is where? This cecum is nearby a vermiform appendix. Vermiform means what? They are thin. Okay, they are thin and they are straight like this. Okay, can you see this? Vermiform is this. Okay, they are thin and they are long. So it lies here. This is your appendix. Okay, so the cecum lies here. Means they are attached to the vermiform appendix. Okay, then afterwards what you will get? Ascending colon. Okay, ascending colon, and afterwards you will get transverse colon. Afterwards what you will get? Descending colon. And the next is sigmoid colon, and the next is rectum. Okay, so these are the parts of the large intestine. Did you get it? And what you will get here in the ascending colon, descending colon, and in transverse colon, what you will get here in all this colon, what you will get? You will get that means the main function of this colon is that they absorb water. Okay, they will absorb water, and afterwards, what they will do means in this colon there is bacteria. Okay, but this bacteria is beneficial for your body, means it is good for your body. Okay, they what will they produce? They will produce some vitamin. That is vitamin K. They will produce this column. In this column, you will get a bacteria. Okay, with this vitamin K, and they help in what absorbing water. This column. Okay, did you understand? ये large intestine है. Okay, और large intestine cecum फर्स्ट पहला पार्ट है सिकम, उसके बाद असेंडिंग कॉलम, उसके बाद ट्रांसवर्स कॉलम, उसके बाद डिसेंडिंग कॉलम, उसके बाद सिग्मॉइड कॉलम, उसके बाद रेक्टम. ठीक है, तो ये असेंडिंग कॉलम, ट्रांसवर्स कॉलम और डिसेंडिंग कॉलम और सिग्मॉइड कॉलम में क्या मिलेगा, मतलब ये कॉलम मतलब पानी एब्जॉर्ब करने के लिए, पानी मतलब लाने के लिए मदद करता है. ठीक है, और क्या करता है, यहाँ पे हम लोग को बैक्टीरिया मिलेगा. ठीक है, लेकिन ये बैक्टीरिया अच्छा वाला है. ठीक है, और ये जो बैक्टीरिया है क्या करता है, विटामिन के प्रोड्यूस करता है, बनाता है. ठीक है, तो हमारे सेहत के लिए अच्छा है. ठीक है, समझ में आया? डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड एवरीवन अबाउट द लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन? हियर यस, डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड? Did you understand or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next is rectum. Okay, this is rectum. Now all the food particles, it will means all the waste materials, it will try to excrete now. It will try to come out now. Where? In this rectum. Okay, in this rectum it will come out now. So this rectum is what? They are straight, सीधा है, और कितना लंबा है? 8 inch लंबा है. Okay, and the measurement of this rectum is 8 inch. Okay, and the main job or the main work of this rectum is what? They will receive stool from the colon. Okay, means whatever unwanted things is coming from this colon. Okay, they will receive it. Understand? समझ में आया? ये रेक्टम क्या है? ये रेक्टम सीधा है, स्ट्रेट है. इसका माप कितना है? 8 इंच है. ठीक है, 8 इंच है. और ये रेक्टम का मेन काम क्या है? ये रेक्टम मतलब जो सारे अच्छे नहीं है हमारे बॉडी के लिए, मतलब जो अनडाइजेस्टेड फूड है, ये सब मतलब कलेक्ट कर देगा. ठीक है, मतलब इकट्ठा करके लास्ट में एनस में चला जाएगा. ठीक है, ये रेक्टम है, ये रेक्टम का काम है. समझ में आया? डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड एवरीवन? Okay, do you know the meaning of stool? STOOL, stool. Yes, do you know the meaning of stool? Yes, do you know or not? Yes, do you know or not the meaning of stool? Okay, stool means latrine. Okay, receive stool. Stool means what? Latrine. Understand? Potty. Understand now? Do you understand now?
Yes, 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 yes.
Yes, yes, that one. So the rectum, what is the main work of the rectum? रेक्टम का मतलब काम क्या है? उसका काम ये है कि जो सारे लेट्रिन है मतलब होती है कलेक्ट करेगा यहाँ पे और उसके बाद एनस पे चला जाएगा। ठीक है, ये रेक्टम का काम है। समझ में है? डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड एवरीवन नाउ? You understand or not? Yes? Okay. Okay. Next is your anus. Okay. So this is your anus, the last part of the digestive tract. Okay, this anus is what? It is surrounded by sphincter. You remember the sphincter? They can open and they can close. Okay, and in this sphincter, in this internal sphincter, what you will get? You will get that they are always tight. Okay, you will find that this anus they are always tight, and what will they do? Means you can control this. Okay, means involuntary. Involuntary means you can control this movement. Okay, and they are always tight. Okay, when you feel like passing stool or when you feel like passing latrine, what will you do? Means you can control it. Okay, sometimes you control your latrine or not. Yes, you can control or not your latrine.
Yes, control.
Yes, you can control. That's why it's involuntary. Okay, it is internal sphincter. You can control it. Okay, but these babies they can't control because it's not matured enough. Okay, but we are matured enough. That's why we can control it. Otherwise, you just imagine if it was voluntary movement, continuously our stool will keep on coming out, isn't it? Yes. Are you getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it will continuously come out. Okay, but since it is involuntary, means which we can control, that's why uh, means we can pass whenever we want. Understand? Okay. समझ में आया ना? And Anna's stuff,
Yes, ma'am.
everyone?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we have completed digestive system. Okay. Jit Bahadur, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Jit Bahadur and Ananya?
Yeah, yeah, ma'am. Hello.
Yes, Ananya?
Ananya is absent.
Absent. Okay. Another girl, Ankita Burman, can you hear me? Ankita Burman.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Ankita Burman and Jit Bahadur, who please take the screenshot of the participant list and send it to me. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, sure. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. As soon as you are done, you tell me. Okay, done?
I'm done.
Done, no? Okay, what about Jeet? Are you done?
Yes, yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. Okay then, thank you everyone.
Thank you.
Okay, I'll end the meeting.